Good morning everyone. Today we learned the life in the northern plains. Okay, the northern plains of India. The next one is the life in the northern plains. Which are the states lies in the northern plains? See, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam and Tripura. These are the states lies in the northern plains. Okay, see, this life in the northern plains. Some of the most important states that lies in the northern plains are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam and Tripura. These are the states lies in the northern plains. Okay, see, the Union Territory of Delhi is also located in the northern plains. So the Delhi is also located in the northern plains. Okay, the our capital, the national capital Delhi is also located in the northern plains. Clear? See, let us find out about the life of the people in the states that lie in this region. See, the first one is Punjab. Punjab is located in the Indus and Satluj river basin. Where is the Punjab located? The Punjab located in the Indus and Satluj river basins. Indus and Satluj river basin में this Punjab is located. It has very hot summers and cold winters with rainfall mainly during the monsoons. In a monsoon time, it get a very with a rainfall mainly during cold with a rainfall during the monsoon season, and it is very hot in summer season and very cold in winter season. Okay, it is very hot, it is very cold and very rainfall. It is very hot in summer season, it is very cold in winter season and very rainfall get in rainy season. So Punjab receives water from the rivers Satluj, Ravi and Beas. Where they get water? They get from the river Satluj, Ravi and Beas. Make the land fertile and ideal for agriculture. Being the largest producer of wheat, this state is known as the wheat bowl of India. Which state is known as the wheat bowl of India? Punjab is the wheat bowl of India, because the Punjab is the largest producer of wheat. Okay, the largest producer of wheat is which state? Punjab. So the Punjab is called the wheat bowl of India. See, other crops such as rice, millet, sugarcane, mustard, oil seeds and gram are grown here. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Okay, a few other important cities of this state are Patiala, Amritsar, Jalandhar and Ludhiana. The Golden Temple in Amritsar is a famous pilgrimage site. We know that. We heard that the Golden Temple. Where it is the Golden Temple? The Golden Temple in Punjab state. Punjab. Okay, it is very famous pilgrimage center. People mainly speak Punjabi and Hindi. The main language they use Punjabi and Hindi. Okay, the agriculture is the main occupation of the people in Punjab. Many industries like food, paper, textile are found in the state. So, Punjab, see the Punjab is located in the Indus and Satluj river basin. Okay, their climate is very hot in summer, very cold in winter and get a very heavy rainfall in monsoon season. And the Punjab is the largest producer of wheat. So it is called a wheat bowl of India. And the capital is Chandigarh, and the Golden Temple is situated in Punjab. It is a famous pilgrimage center. People mainly speak in Punjabi and Hindi. Okay, these are the main points. See, the next state is Haryana. See, Haryana. Haryana lies in the Satluj basin. Punjab lies in Indus and Satluj basin, but Haryana lies in the Satluj basin. Chandigarh is the capital city. Punjab's capital city and Haryana's capital cities are same, Chandigarh. Okay, Haryana has two has hot and dry summers, cold winters, and receive rainfall during the monsoon month, same as Punjab climate. Okay, the main crops of the state are wheat and rice. Farmers use pumps and tube wells for irrigations. Irrigation के लिए they use a pump and tube wells and pumps. The people in the state speak mainly in Hindi and Haryanvi. What are the languages they use? Hindi and Haryanvi. The Punjabis use Hindi and Punjabi, but here the Haryanis use the Haryanvi and Hindi. Many cities of Haryana are part of the national capital region of Delhi. Delhi ka most of the region, the part of Haryana is included in the cities. Haryana are part of the national capital of Delhi. Okay, Delhi, Haryana ka main cities are part of a Delhi. Okay, the main cities of Haryana is a part of Delhi. See, so Haryana over, clear? Next one, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the main states of northern plains. One of the important states of the Ganga basin is Uttar Pradesh. Punjab and Haryana is the Satluj basin and Indus basin, but Uttar Pradesh is in a Ganga basin. Yamuna and Ganga are the two main rivers that run through the state. Okay, which are the main rivers in Uttar Pradesh? Ganga and Yamuna. The summer months are very hot and the winter months are very cold. Heavy or light rainfall might occur in the monsoons. Kabhi kabhi heavy rainfalls they get. Kabhi kabhi sometimes they get a light rainfall. Okay. The major crops of the states are rice, wheat, sugarcane, corn and pulses. People speak in Urdu, Bhojpuri and Hindi. What are the languages uses in Uttar Pradesh? They use Hindi, Bhojpuri and Urdu. Okay, Urdu, Bhojpuri and Hindi languages used in the Uttar Pradesh state. Dekho, the state is known for its sugar mills. It is very popular in the sugar industries and leather and textile industry. Textile industries, leather industries and sugar industries are famous in this state. Many service industries like tourism, hospitality flourish here. The cities of Agra, Mathura, Varanasi and Lucknow are major tourist destinations. The major tourist destination of Uttar Pradesh are, what are they? Agra, Mathura, Varanasi and Lucknow. Okay, these cities are in Uttar Pradesh, Agra, Mathura, Varanasi and Lucknow. Next state is Bihar. See the Bihar. Bihar lies on the Ganga basin. So, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar lies on the Ganga basin. Its capital is which one? Patna. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Rice, wheat, jute and sugarcane are the major crops that grown here. Bihar experiences hot summer months, cold winter months. Patna is an ancient city. This Patna, the capital city, the capital of Bihar, the Patna is the ancient cities and the records of the ancient university is there. Which one? The Nalanda University. This is the ancient university. Okay. The ancient university Nalanda is in Patna. People here mainly speak Hindi, Urdu, Bhojpuri and Maithili. What are the languages they use? Which are they? Hindi, Urdu, Bhojpuri and Maithili. What are the languages used in Uttar Pradesh? They are used Urdu, Bhojpuri and Hindi. Here it is in Bihar, they speak Hindi, Urdu, Maithili and Bhojpuri. Okay. And the next state is West Bengal. See the West Bengal. West Bengal receives water from the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers. Okay, making it very fertile. Brahmaputra and Ganga receive given the water to West Bengal. Jute and rice are the main crops of this region. Main crop. What are the main crops in West Bengal? Jute and rice. Okay, jute and rice is the main crops of West Bengal. The summer months are hot and humid. Humidity there. Okay, the summer months are hot and humid. So while the winter months are cold with heavy rainfall during monsoon. Monsoon they get a heavy rainfall. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Okay, which is the capital of West Bengal? Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. People here mainly speak Bangla and Hindi. Okay, these languages they speak. What are they? Bangla and Hindi. The major occupation of the people is farming and manufacturing, which is an important industry in West Bengal. See, the next states, what are they? The last states are Assam and Tripura. The northern plains extended eastwards to the northeastern states of Assam and Tripura. The northern plains extended to the east side, east states, that is Assam and Tripura. Both the states experience hot and humid summer. Like West Bengal, the summers are hot and humid. These both the states, Assam and Tripura. Pleasant winter and heavy rainfall during the monsoon. In the monsoon time, they will get a heavy rainfall. The Brahmaputra river flows through Assam, making the land fertile. Okay, the Brahmaputra river flows through Assam, and their land make a fertile. Jute and rice are the major crops. Tea cultivation and silkworm rearing is also practiced here. Assam tea, it is a very famous Assam tea. Okay, tea cultivation and rearing silk is another occupation here, farming here. The capital Assam is Dispur. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Guwahati is one of the most important cities of Assam. Assam, the most important city of Assam is Guwahati. Which one? Guwahati is the main important city of Assam. People here speak Assamese and Hindi. The common language is Hindi. Okay, and here it is they speak Assamese language. Next one is Tripura. Tripura surrounded by Bangladesh on three sides. Okay, Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh on three sides. Three sides be Bangladesh at Tripura ka. Okay, on three sides Bangladesh is surrounded. Okay, he is a small state in the northeast. Northeast ka एक small state है. Which one? Tripura. People here grow jute, rice and bamboo. Jute, rice and bamboo are cultivated here. The main river of Tripura is Gomti. Which one? The Gomti river is very the main river of this one. Okay,